kids, it's Ava, and today we have something super special to explore. Ready? Let's dive into Ophelia's fantastic world of colors. Hold on. What's that on top? It's a cherry. And guess what color cherries are? Yep, you got it. Red. Ophelia, you've captured this sweetness perfectly. Now, what do we see? A scrumptious ice cream cone. Wow, Ophelia, you've got some serious creativity going on. Please check out the cone. Ophelia chose a lovely light brown to give it that perfect, sweet look. Can you imagine the crunchy waffle goodness? Now, let's move our eyes to the top of the ice cream. What's that delightful shade of green? Pistachio. Ophelia, you're turning this ice cream into a masterpiece. All the kids out there, can you feel the excitement in the air? I sure can. Ophelia, you're not just drawing, you're creating a world full of yumminess. And you, my little artists, can create your own magical world too. Grab those colors and let your imagination run wild. Who knows what tasty wonders you'll come up with? So, let's give Ophelia a big round of applause for sharing her delicious masterpiece with us. And remember, my friends, the world is your canvas. She is coloring the letter I. Now, we all know I as in ice cream. Wait, what color is it? Yay! Absolutely correct. This is a red color. Thanks a lot for watching the video, and please hit subscribe if you appreciate her work and what we bring to you every time. See you next time.